Hi, my name's Travis Davis. I'm the designated broker and one of the partners here at Coldwell Banker, Tomlinson, and Kennewick. I'm here to talk to you about information overload. As a consumer today, you have access to so much information out there on the internet. And you can do searches all day long. You can look up all the kinds of data. You can look up anything you want to know about the real estate market. And it's really difficult to kind of figure out what's going on. How do you get a handle on what this market's doing and those kinds of things? We'll take Zillow, for example, take this estimate. We all sit down and look at this estimate and the number is what it is. And sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low, you just don't know. And I can give you a personal example. I sold my own home this year, and this estimate said my house is worth over $800,000, and the market price for my home was $500,000. That's what it was. That's a $300,000 difference. The market information is what it is. There's none better than the Coldwell Banker agents to sit down and interpret the information, to filter it through and to let you see what the accurate information is out there. That's our job. That's what we pride ourselves in doing every single day.